Okay. It was a confirmation of the first touch. Kaenda hivyo. A second touch. Then a third touch. Then the market bought. And you can see what happened here. There was a breakout, a little bit of retracement for more buys.
Watu hawako ready kupenda watu.
So this was a confirmation of a good triple bottom. Okay. And you can see after the confirmation of that triple bottom, the market bought massively. Then also here, which reversal pattern was this? Which reversal was this?
Inverted head and shoulder.
This was an inverted head and shoulder. So I hope each one of you now can be able anaweza kuidentify na kupredict what the market will do. Because sometimes the market necessarily hairudingi, inaweza kosa kurudi kwa zone, but the market will retrace. So let's continue. Now today we start on the bearish reversals now. Bearish reversals, because that was we were dealing with bullish reversals. Now let's start on bearish reversals. Tatuandike bearish reversal chart patterns. Bearish reversal chart patterns. Bearish reversal chart patterns. So which are these bearish reversals? One thing you need to know that these reversals, we identify them on a bullish market. We are going to identify them on a bullish market. Then after identification, now the market changes to become bearish. Because tulisema for this reversal chart patterns, we name them according to the trend that they are about to take. Meaning, for example, bearish reversal, tumesema tunazi-identify on a bullish market. Advance after identification, now the trends changes to be bearish.
Does it change to become bearish or bullish?
Oh, bearish. We have said these are bearish reversals. We have said one, we are going to identify them on a bullish market. We are going to identify them on a bullish market. And once after identification, the market now changes to become a bearish trend. Because it was on a bullish market, it was on a bullish trend, and tunazi identified now on a bullish market. But once after identification of these reversal chart patterns, the trend changes to become bearish. We said for these reversals, we name them according to the trend that they are about to take. Not the trend that they are currently on, no. The trend they are about to take. Now,
we understood.
Okay. So for these bearish reversals, we have three types of bearish reversals. There are three. Number one, we have a head and shoulder. We have a head and shoulder. We have a head and shoulder. Number two, we have a double top. A double top. And number three, we have a triple top. We have a double top, a triple top, and a head and shoulder. Just a minute. We have a double top, a head and shoulder, and a triple top. Now, these are they are completely opposite of what we did yesterday. They are just a reciprocal, or the opposite of what we did yesterday. So for head and shoulder, it will present itself like this. We have a head. We have a shoulder, a head. And another shoulder, where this is the head, this is the head, this is a shoulder, and another shoulder, where we have the head, a shoulder, and another shoulder. Then we said for the shoulders, they have to be within the same zone. For the shoulders, they have to be within the same zone. Then we have a double top. A double top will look like this. A double top will look like this, where the top also, they have to be within the same zone. Na zone tulisema ni gani? Ni yenye, okay, we'll do that when you're into the charts. Then we have a triple top will look like this. A triple top will look like this. Also, they have to be within the same zone. The tops, they have to be within the same zone. So then what did we say here? Just as what we said yesterday, let me go to the charts now. We use the charts. Just as to what we said yesterday, for this reversal, kama hizi sasa, for the bearish reversals, we also have to wait for a change of character. We have to wait for a change of character for us to take a trade using these reversals. And change of character ni kama gani? Let's first illustrate vizuri using the charts, using a path, because it's a bit more clearer. So, let's do which one? Let's use a pair. For the NAS 100, hainanga good presentation. So let's use AUDJPY. Yes. So, for this one, tumesema aje? We have to have a head, a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder. Calvin, mute your mic. Where we have said these are the shoulders. These are the shoulders. They have to be within the same zone. And for you now to take a trade using these reversal patterns, for you to take a trade using these reversal patterns, one, you have to wait for a change of character. You have to wait for a change of character out of this zone, a retracement for more sales. For you to take a trade using this reversal pattern, you have to wait for a breakout or a change of character, a retracement for more sales. For you to trade using these reversals, one, you have to wait for a breakout or a change of character, a retracement for more sales. The same thing will happen with a double top. The same thing will happen with a double top. The same thing will happen with a double top. For this double top, one, you have to wait for a breakout out of this neckline. This neckline, we have to wait for a breakout. a breakout, a retracement for more sales. Now, we said a breakout. For us to confirm it's a breakout, it has to be a clear breakout, meaning lazima ikue more than one candlesticks confirming the breakout. It has to be more than one candlesticks to confirm the breakout. And if it is one candle, it has to be an impulse one. It can be an impulse one to confirm the breakout. So also for this one, you have to wait for you to take a trade with such kind of market. You have to wait for a breakout out of this market, out of these structures. This is a neckline, a breakout, a retracement for more sales. Now let's go to the charts. Let's go to the charts and try to identify. Let's go to the charts and try to identify. So tumesema easy reverse of these patterns tunazipata wapi? The market was initially bullish but ika change to become bearish. Na we have to identify now them in a bullish market. The trend has to be bullish, so as now it can change to become bearish. The market has to become bullish, has to be bullish for it now to change the trend to become bearish. I'm trying to find a bearish market. Let's find a bearish where the trend was bearish. You can see, for example, for this market here, which reversal do we have here?
Head and shoulder.
Which
Triple top.
Head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder.
So this is a head and shoulder. It's a head and shoulder where this is a confirmation of the first touch. This let me show you. This is a confirmation of the first touch of the shoulder. Another confirmation of a shoulder. Then we have the head. And another shoulder. And you can see after this confirmation, yes, the market did not retrace to the neckline because what were we expecting in this market? For it to now to sell. We were waiting for this market out of this. We were waiting for a breakout. We were waiting for a breakout out of this neckline here. Tulikuwa tunangoja hii market itafanyaje? Inge breakout kidogo, then it would have broke out, then a retracement now to continue with the sales, but that did not happen. But there's something else we can identify here. Let me show you. You can see here, what is this? There is a confirmation here. What is this here? Which reversal pattern is this? Is this even a reversal? No, this is a consolidating market. Why? This is a consolidating market. Why? You can see we have a confirmation of the first touch, a second touch, a third touch, and a fourth touch. Tulisema once the market has a confirmation of more than 3 touches, that market is no longer it's no longer confirmation candle, but the market is in a consolidation. So you can see, like for example, for this market here, you can see this market iko aje. Kulikuwa na, for you to trade a consolidating market, we said you have to wait for a breakout out of those out of the neckline of that consolidation, a retracement. You can see this market did it to perfection. It did it to perfection. Why? There was a clear breakout, a retracement for more sales. Also, which reversal pattern is this here now? Which reversal pattern is this?
Double top.
It was a double top. Yes, the market did not retrace to our neckline because this was our neckline here. This was our neckline. This was our neckline. The market did not retrace to our neckline to perfection and continue the sales. It didn't. But okay, it didn't appear haikutupea a clean indication of why the market bought. But we had a reversal. Which reversal is this? Can you see how the market works? Can you see how the market works? Which reversal is this here at this zone?
Inverted head bottom.
Inverted head and shoulder, and also a double bottom.